But some did not discuss above principle. But many students have confusion in that, and what photos I got in that, I conclude that some students are filling electron in 2D also, but 2D orbital is not there. Yes, how many have filled electron in 2D? Many have filled. So I saw that. Yes. So just what is given and what rule is given, follow that only. Otherwise, next time you may fill 2F also. So what is given and what I taught, that much only you do. Okay. And if doubt is there, you can contact me. That's why I started again that topic, and some different types of elements and ions, electronic configuration will be written here. And after that, we will move to quantum numbers. So let us solve some example, and after that we will. So yesterday we seen two for correct electronic configuration, you can go to page number, just all of you see in your book it is given here. So you can go, it is in my book 67, page number 67, up to 111 electronic configuration of elements are given. Please take page 67 here, 66 and 67. So on that page, electronic configuration of maximum elements are given. So you can follow that, and after writing you can check where you have done correctly or incorrectly. So by that you can see you learned or not up to 20 or up to 30, more than that you can, because on practice we will get the perfection. Okay, so practice, and it is very important for you. Yesterday I told, today I am also telling that this topic is very important for you, and it will help you till study it will help you. Okay, so let us see here what different things we are going to do. So let us see what is that here. Okay, so children, yesterday we wrote the electronic configuration of different elements up to 30 we wrote them. But today little different we are going to. We will write electronic configuration only. But before that we have to understand two terms: positive and negative. Ions. We will see here, and after that we will write the electronic configuration. So you might write ions. Okay. Positively charged particles are called ions. Sorry, charged particles are called ions. Maybe positively charged or negatively. So we can define here charged particles are called ions. Ions are of two types. First is positive charge ions, positive charged ions here, and the second is negatively charged ions, charged ions here. Okay, sometimes these are also called positive charge are known as if especially it is carbon, if especially it is carbon, is like CH3 plus CH like that. So we say cation, cation, and here means positive charge, minus positive charge. Sometimes they are called cations. What cations? And they negatively charged ions are called anions. So you remember these two. Positively charged cations and negatively charged anions. But if it is carbon, if it is carbon carrying positive charge, we will say carbon. What is carbocations? Carbocations. Yeah, and if carbon is there and carrying negative charge, so we will say carb anion. Carb anion. So these are the very common points you should remember. Means ion charge particles are called ions. Charge particles are called ions. Ions are of two. Ions are of two types: positively charged ions and negatively charged ions. They are also called cations and anions. If the positively charged is carbon, so we say carbocations, and if negatively charged is carbon, so we say carbanions. This much will be. So let us move to our topic, what we are going to discuss here. And one more point here, just notice how ions are formed. How ions are formed. That we will discuss here, and then we will do to write electronic calculation. Okay. So how are ions formed? Here, just let's see. Na here. Yes. Sodium has lost one electron. Sodium has lost one electron. That is sodium ions. Just what I'm saying. Sodium has lost one electron. Sodium is still charged. Other process here, Cl is here and it is gaining one electron. So it will negative ions. So what we can define is how we can define it. Ions are formed by gaining or losing of electrons. Ions are formed by losing or by gaining electrons. Got it? Ions are formed by losing or by gaining. That losing electron, positive ions form. This gaining electron, negative ions. So small definition we can write here, but this definition is not given in the book. But in my point, you can write ions are formed by losing or gaining. When they will lose, just sort of when they will lose, they will form positive ions. When they will lose, they will form positive ions, and when they will gain, they will form negative ions. Got it? So we can write here ions are formed by losing or gaining of electrons. We can write here. I have to note it. Ions are formed by losing or gaining electrons. Okay. So electrons, one more line I will write. When atoms
Your mic.
when atoms lose electron forms positive ions. While on gaining forms Just sort of forms negative ions. One more point I would like to just okay. So here, if it is raining, forming negative ions, if that is forming positive ions. One more and very important point, and this question is being asked in competition, but I will tell you here. Just a second. Just to see. Signs of positive ions are smaller than atom. Parent atom. One of the more this is very important one. Parent atom. Size of positive ions. And next, size of negative ions are bigger than parent atom. This point is very important for you, and you should learn it. Okay, so we got some like this. First, ions are formed by the are or using or gaining of electrons. When atom lose electrons, form positive ions, while on gaining electrons forms negative ions. Yes. So now we will move to electronic conduction. Let us see. So here this is ions, and we are going to write their electronic constitution. Yes. Electronic contribution of ions. Okay. You can make anything as electronic contribution of ions. So that's all I'm saying. Sodium. If it loses one charge, that is something to sodium ion. Look here. Sodium, when it lost electron, it changes into sodium ion. Clear it? Here, just number is a atomic number, and in normally neutral atom. In neutral atom, we know that number of electron and number of protons are equal. Just allow see, number of electron and number of proton are equal in neutral atom is that has no charge. That has no charge. So number of electron and number of protons are equal in that. Got it? Here, if it lost, what it lost? I said it has lost what electron. Just allow see, it has lost what electron. It has lost what electron. So if I say here in this case, electronic contribution. Electronic contribution will be vary from that. Electronic contribution of that will be vary from. Let us write it. Just I will write it. So 1:2, 2:2, 2p6, and 3:2. This is the electronic contribution. But that has lost one electron is lost. So we have to remove one electron from that or not? We have to remove one electron from orbitals or not? If we are writing electronic contribution. So what will be electronic contribution of this? Just 1:2, just to be most has one electron less than parent atom. So now electronic contribution of this atom is, got it? Understood this? Okay. If I am writing this, all of this here, if I wrote other, I am taking here, after that I am taking magnesium. Just all I have taken magnesium. So when it moves one electron, so what will do? Mc2 plus, got it? If it moves two electrons, that will be Mc2 plus. Look at the here, Mc, this is Mc, this is parent atom, and that is R. So what I told definition, ions are formed by losing or by gaining electrons. Is losing, that has lost the electron. That has lost the electron. Okay. So here, how many electrons that has lost? 2. So I had a calculation here. What will be? Just we will see. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, and 3s. But that 2 electrons it has lost. So we will remove 2 electrons. This electron will be removed in that case. Are you getting? So what will be the electron? 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6. Got it? To like this, we have to write electronic contribution of ions. This is positive ions. Okay, just follow the see here. So it is positive ions here. Got it? So let us see, like this, we can write electronic contribution of other elements, other atoms. So if I am writing here, just follow see. I am writing here aluminium. Just follow see, aluminium. Atomic number of this one is 13. Atomic number of this one is 13. 13. So number of atomic contribution we will write. What will be? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Let's look at 3s2 and 3p1 left. But if it loses 3 electrons, if aluminum loses 3 electrons, so it will change like this. Al plus like this calculated like this R 3 plus like this become okay. So what will be the electronic contribution? In this case, it has lost 3 electrons. So what will be electronic contribution? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. I told you after writing electron, we will add the spalmers, means number of electrons given to each orbital. Okay, so here just let's say here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Just love to see this we have discussed here. And one point just for a good part, very important point. How many electrons are in this? How many electrons are?
10.
10. How many electrons are in this?
Sir, 10.
10. How many electrons?
Sir, 10.
10 only.
10,
How many electrons are in this?
13.
13.
13,
12,
And in that,
12,
11,
11,
what you have seen difference. What difference? Difference is that ions and atoms have different number of electrons. Yes, ions and atom has difference in electrons. Got it? Ions and atoms has difference in electrons. So that is we have to write. And one point here, if some atom is losing electron, an electron is being lost by that atom. So we will remove electron from outermost. From where? Outermost. Just so you see. From here, I have removed this. Yes, just so you see. 2p6. I have not removed from this outermost. Which one is far away from? We can see far away from the place. Got it? So we will remove electron from it. In this also you will see. One, I will write here and all of that CA and CA plus. Right, all of right, configuration of this. Right, in 1 minute, all of right, also me. Right. First write calcium, then calcium ion. Write it. And don't look at your I'm going to write just after writing batch here. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2 is 6, 3 is 2, 3 is 6, and 4 is 2. 1 minute. Here. Just along see. What is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2 is 6, 3 is 2, 3 is 6, 4 is 2. And for ions, this is the movement from that. So what will be? This one. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2 is 6, 3 is 2, 3 is 6. Just one. How many have written correctly? Just thumb up. How many have written correctly? Calculation of calcium and calcium ions. Just thumb up, man. Those who have written correctly. Shreya Agrawal, Abhigyan Tripathi could not write. Aditi Singh, Ajitesh, Akarshit, Divyans Tripathi. Any doubt is there? If some doubt is there, you can say to me. Your doubt will be cleared by me. If you have any doubt, yes. Abhigyan, what doubt you have? What doubt you have? Abhigyan, you unmute yourself.
No doubt that
What doubt you
that
have?
click mistake that time.
Yes. What doubt you have? Okay. So no doubt. Okay. Very good.
No, sir.
Okay. 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 So like this, you have to write the definition of atoms and ions. Okay. So just remember, this is the positive ions. Now I am going to move to negative ions. So positive ions, electronic configuration, you have learnt how to write. Everybody is clear to this? How to write electronic configuration of positive ions? If some of you have doubt, please ask. Some of you have doubt about this? Just say yes or no. I'm waiting for that.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
So I'm going to, but some questions I will give you and you have to write the electronic configuration of ions. Just I'm going to write. You have to write electronic configurations of these ions. Just these are the positive ions for the unit, and you have to write electronic configuration of these ions, and you have to send on my WhatsApp. Remember it. I want everybody's response. Okay, so potassium here, scandium, vanadium, ferric, copper +1, and G+2. Okay, so I will write and they will send on my WhatsApp. Okay. So let us move to next. Yeah. Now, negative ions. Just let us see here. So I have written this. F. F. And if you get 1 electron, if you get 1 electron or gaining 1 electron, it will change into F minus. Single. Okay. So let us see here. If I ask you, just look at code. If I ask you number of electron in this, number of electron in this,
9.
and in that,
9.
how many?
10.
10. Because it has gained 1 electron here. So this electron also will be added in that. And how many negative charges are there? That much electrons will be added. Actual number of electrons of that. Just see. 9 electron in normal case, 9 electron, but 1 negative charge, 1 electron I have added. So number of electron is 10. Got it? So we can write electronic configuration of this. Here, just say 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. Total 2, 4 and 5, 9 or 10. What is the value? 10.
9.
And then what will be 1s2, 2s2 and 2p, 6. Thus we can write it. Because that has 10 electrons. That has 10 electrons. So we can write like this. Got it? If I'm writing here, just here, sulfur, and it gains 2 electrons. It gains 2 electrons, and here, so sulfur means S double minus. Double minus. So number of electrons this side 16.
16.
16, and that side
Sir, 18.
excellent. So can you write electronic configuration of this? Can you write? Write it and thumb up. Right, and after that thumb up. All of you write, then I will write here and you can match. Okay.
3 is to 3p, 3p4. 1 is to 2 is to 2p, 3.
So how many have written? Just to see that electronic is this and ion electronic is this. So those who have written correctly, please thumb up. Those who have written correctly, please thumb up. Yes. Some students are performing well, very well. Okay. And some students are sitting just watching the video, what is going on in school. Husi, what about you? No signal. Are you seeing? Are you seeing?
Yes, sir, doing.
Kabyan.
Sulfur's
sir.
electronic configuration is wrong, I think.
Just follow me here. Like this we have to do. Got it? Like this. Just how many charges are there? That much electron will be added in actual electrons that atom has. It means if we talk about this sulfur, how many electrons are in this? 16, and that has 2 charges here. So stick to 18, and then we will write the electronic configuration. I am taking 18 electrons, we will write the electronic configuration. Got it? Some of you have doubt. Just say yes or no. So write about this. Just further write. Write electronic configuration of this. Right? Chloride, chlorine, and chloride. Chlorine and chloride ions. Right? Right? So how many have written correctly? Yes, I will add that only. So what is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2 is 6, 3 is 2, 3 is 6. I think that is correct. So how many have written correctly? Thumb up there. Thumb up. Yes. Only 4 students. 5 students are done. Yes, yes. Akarshit Maurya, Ajitesh, Aditi, no response at all. Okay, so like this we can write the electronic configuration of different elements in their atomic form as well as in ionic forms. We can write. So some questions related to this I am going to give you and you have to write. Just for the note it. Write electronic configuration of these ions. What is 2 minus 2? This O2 minus, yes, O2 minus, note it. S2 minus that you have done already. F minus and Br minus I am giving here. Br minus and yes, madam, I have written it. Okay, so these ions electronic configuration also. And some I have given here. In positive ions also, I have given some. So both you write and send on my WhatsApp. Okay, this is the homework for
Okay,
you.
sir.
And tomorrow
Excuse
we
me,
will
sir.
move to next topic, quantum numbers. Quantum numbers. we will
Excuse me,
discuss.
sir.
Okay. So
Sir.
some of you have doubt, you can ask. If some of you have doubt, you can